doing a bee removal with Joy and myself. Joy is the one doing the most work right now. She just waved at you. Want to see the bees where she is going in? This is where the bees are.
They've been here for a little while.
They ain't got a lot.
Yeah, I think the whole thing's full. They seem to be nice so far.
Oh yeah, they got calm. Wow. Facebook, see that?
Goodness gracious.
Should have tried to see. Oh.
You know what? They're not even that old. Look how light the comb is.
Yeah, but they sure build that fast.
They sure did, didn't they? It's
So
gonna be some good productive bees for you, Sally.
yeah, so how long you think they've been here?
I don't know, maybe a couple months.
They seem like they're nice.
They are nice. Okay, so look at your box.
Okay, hold on. I got to stop there. I ain't getting no what's got to put it. Oh, we gonna need. I should have brought some open frame too.
I got one open one if you want it.
Yeah, because I didn't think you were gonna need it. And I had 5 of them at home. They don't have the thing.
Easy. Just keep looking for me.
Oh, they coming at you?
Just run.
He checking you out, you know, disturb their bed.
Yeah. Sometimes they come out with a vengeance. Sometimes they're sweet like that. So. Hopefully they stay sweet.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I have the smoker for you.